Welcome! If you've ever reported something on Pinterest and wondered how to check the status or details of your reports, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to access your reports in Pinterest's Reports and Violations Center. This guide is perfect for anyone who wants to stay informed about their account activity or ensure their concerns are being addressed. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to review. The process is quick and straightforward, so you'll have your answers in just a few taps. Once you're in the app, head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping the profile icon, which is usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen. This takes you to your personal Pinterest space, where you can see all your boards, pins, and account settings. Next, look for your profile picture at the top of the screen and tap on it. This opens up your profile options and settings. Pinterest has made it easier to navigate, so you won't have to dig through endless menus. Now, scroll through the options and find the Reports and Violations Center. Tap on it. This is the dedicated section where Pinterest manages all reports related to content, accounts, or policy violations. Here, you can see the status of any reports you've submitted, whether it's about spam, inappropriate content, or anything else that goes against Pinterest's guidelines. Finally, tap on your reports. This will display a list of all the reports you've made. You can check the progress, see if any action has been taken, or review the details of each report. It's a great way to keep track of your account's safety and ensure your voice is heard. And that's it. You've now accessed your reports in Pinterest's Reports and Violations Center. Staying informed and proactive helps keep Pinterest a safe and enjoyable place for everyone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and tutorials. Thanks for watching.